Hello, yes, and how is you? Okay, well, I'm calling to book a flight to Jamaica. Oh, Leroy, I washed the brown stain out of your underwear. I don't know why your brief always so dirty. My goodness, you kids them look cute. Look on this one, how little and pretty she is. And look at this one, her hair's so straight. But, hey, how comes this one so fat? Back foot. Oh my goodness! Who didn't eat the orange peel? Leroy?
Grandma, it's an orange peel.
You know, back when I was growing up, we had to eat everything on the orange, including the peel. And you kids think you can come to this country and dash with this orange peel?
Who does that? Who digs in the garbage to see what's not done?
Here, take it, eat it. Leroy, are you spill this water? Drink it.
How do you even notice that? It's water.
That's 5 cents worth of water. You better drink it.
Honestly,
If
really.
you don't drink it, watch me on you. Yes, I'm telling you, he married a white girl. She was white. White like the ice that comes out of the freezer. I don't know why him never married Tashika that live up by Top Road. You not gone to bed yet? Mind me beat you. Don't talk back to me. I would clap you into next week. And make sure you buy me something nice. My birthday is in September.
It's September, Grandma.
I said, don't correct me before me beat you with the belt buckle. I walk.
She's too hardcore, people.
Boom, chicka, boom, 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 boom. Leroy, are you spill this water? Drink it.
How do you even notice that? It's water.
That's 5 cents worth of water. You better drink it.
Honestly, really, you're making a big deal over a drop of water.